So onboarding can seem like a pretty daunting task, but it can be as simple as knowing which 3 levers to pull. So let's talk about them. Lever 1, documentation and processes defined. Not only training materials that helps the team onboard fast, but also documentation that speaks to brand voice and tone is super important. Lever 2, time. Here, we're talking about literal time and resource time. The more you put in, the more you'll get out. Lever 3, clearly define scope. Think about what you want escalated to your internal team versus what you want handled by your internal team. Perhaps you want your internal team to do refunds and complaints. And maybe you want your external team to handle just FAQs and product questions. So you may ask, why are we focused on levers? And it's a simple answer. We don't need all 3 at all times. If you're short on one, you just dial up the other 2. So you don't have a lot of time, make sure your documentation and clearly defined scope are on point. But if you've got heaps of time, perhaps you don't need quite as much documentation because you can cover it. Keen to find out more? Head to influx.com and chat with our team.